Okay, hopefully this means that we're going to be live. Hello everyone, hello. Not now, thank you. It looks like the stream is operating, hopefully. Hopefully you guys can see me. I am recording this and I'll publish it later. Okay, so let's just check out here. Okay, you've got view on my screen. Okay, what we're looking at here is my Nuget package. It's called Rework. It's just essentially a set of handy helpers that is in a centralized location, So for example, we've got some handy string methods to capitalize a sentence, or to truncate add a word, or truncate a sentence, to slugify, so to turn something into a URL sort of thingy, all that sort of stuff, It's also got some handy things you can use with your constructors and all that sort of stuff. But I won't go too in depth. But what's happened is, if we look at this pretty class right over here, we'll see that Paul Seal, he's made a contribution to the library, and he's added this get relative time between dates method. So, which is awesome. Thanks a lot, Paul, and it looks great. He's also written a whole bunch of tests, and you guys can go and look at this. This is obviously all open source. So he put in a pull request, and we've merged it all in. And now I thought I would show you the CI pipeline, the continuous integration and the continuous delivery pipeline that I've got set up on this GitHub repo. So basically, I've made a small change here. We're going to come over to our Team Explorer. We're going to say I cleaned up usings, which is all good. And I'm going to say, mind you, okay, I want to do one more thing before I make this commit. If you look at this new spec file here, sorry, let me bump up the text size there too. So that's Paul's method. So if we look at this new spec file, a Nuget package is going to be made out of this library, and our continuous integration and delivery platform AppVeyor is going to handle all of that stuff for us. Okay, so all you really need to do is there already exists a version of this library called or 1.0.9. okay, because it's only a minor version change, there's no breaking changes, we're just going to call it 1.0.10 for now. Okay, and that's just, we're just going to touch this up. Release notes, we're going to say added pretty helpers for relative date time. Alright, which is all good. Cool, so I'm going to save that, we'll close that, and we'll come on over here to our commit, and we'll say cleanup usings and incremented new spec. Alright, cool. So I'm just going to commit all in sync, and that's going to push everything up to my Git repo for this. Okay, that's all good. So now if we head straight on over to AppVeyor, we do a little refresh here, we should see that build come in. There we go. So cleanup usings and incremented new spec. Okay, so you can see automatically this thing has been built. We can see in the console here everything that happened as a part of the build. Okay, and we've also got the tests that ran. So this was 75 tests, and it looks like they all passed, which is all good. So now we know that based on our tests and based on it, obviously the build passed, it's pretty safe to say that this library is ready to be published to Nuget. So if we come over quickly to Nuget, packages, rework, there we go. Okay, this is where you can find the package. I'm just going to come over here. Oh, I think I'm still under my old adding unit tests thing, which is a bit of a pain. Oh, man, that's a bit annoying. That's silly of me. But I don't know. Can we edit it live? Can we? Currently, you're editing your channel information. So I mean, let's CI pipeline for rework. CI CD pipeline. Save. CD pipeline. Save. Hopefully that's all cool. Alright. Great. Okay. Hopefully that didn't break anything. It might have, but I'll post this to YouTube if something went wrong with that. Okay. So we can see our package over here, and we can see that the latest version is 1.0.9. Okay, we want to publish now the latest version. So because I've got everything set up all nicely, I can just come and click this button, deploy. There we go. It says new deployments of rework. This is not the Nuget version, that's the build version. And we just want to say publish it to Nuget. I just want to point something out quickly. If you look at the artifacts, as a part of the build, it created this new package. Because it found a new spec inside of the project, it automatically created that for us as an artifact, which is just awesome. So that means that when we publish it, we have Nuget available there. So let's just go ahead and deploy it. Boom. Okay, it's publishing it off to Nuget. Publishing rework. Total package is published. All good. Everything was successful, which is great. So now if we come over to our page, there we go. So now you see the version number is updated, and now everyone's going to have access to Paul's edition, which is the pretty class. That's how it all sort of sticks together. And also another handy little feature, if we come over to GitHub and we come to the landing page for rework, you can see I've got some helpers here on how you use it. We'll add some explanations for what Paul stuff does and how to use it. But you can see here that we've got this little badge here indicating if the build passed or not. So currently this is lacquer and all nice, and it's going to work. But sure, there we go. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching. I think I'll sign off from there. And yeah, cheers.